I'm standing in front of a smart blind. It's called the Nova by Leafi. And what this does is it allows you to control the blinds with your app. But what's really interesting is you don't have to replace your entire blinds in order to do it. So tell us a little bit about how it works and show us the device.
Absolutely. So you're just going to take this bracket and attach it to the headrail. You're not going to need any screws, any tape, no damage. Just stick it on there. This adapter that replaces your tilt one, if you watch, is going to naturally magnetically attach itself to the device. Now this is the device that's going to tilt and turn according to your program on the blinds. That's it.
Wow, that's it. So let me see that.
Yeah.
Piece. So if you look at this, if you know what the top hook, the stick of your blinds looks like, that is what it looks like. So this is just replacing that, and then it goes into this whole device.
Yeah.
And oh, there goes the magnet, and the whole thing pops
That's
in.
it.
And then you got smart blinds in your home. Nova by Leafi.